All right, so I need some viewer input. This is a barn door that I'm making into the coffee table that will be in the cabin. Now I had to take the hinges off. That's the original hinges. Long story. Anyway, I usually don't take them off, but I had to. So now I'm thinking when I put them back on, do I want to put them on differently? So the legs will be these sassafras logs. Now this one is a little small. I'm just showing you what it looks like. They're up over there against the wall drying. So I don't really have any place, if it was a square leg, I could put it on the square leg. So I need to put it back onto the table. Now, help me decide. Do I want to do something different and put them like at angles on the end there? Or put them in the middle, but off to the edge, so they're not really in the way? Or do I just reattach them to the ends that they were on originally and leave them up, and they can still hang down, but keep them in an upward position? Tell me what you think.